So my name is Marty Mitchum, Senior Project Executive for Martin Harris Group West for this project. What I'd like to do is, first of all, the namesakes of JWood Raw are in the crowd. We'd like to, they're standing in the front row right here. I would like to thank Washoe County School District for putting this project together. This was a project that has been worked on for many years by the school district. And a year ago when we were bidding this project, a lot of people in the community said that we couldn't get to the point where we're at today. So, not to say we told you so, but we did. And that took quite a few people. That took Washoe County School District, Hirschnau Klippenstein Design, and all their consultants, the school district staff. I know Jonna's here. I don't know if there's any future staff in the crowd right now, but she can address them. But the two most important things that make this school happen right now today are, in fact, the parents and students. Without them, we wouldn't need it, okay? And then the next group are all the companies and the workers that are in the crowd. Today is for you and everybody I just mentioned. And with that, I'd like to pass this off to Jonna. And thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Marty. All right, so I am honored to be the incoming principal of JWood Raw. Yeah, you can clap with that, because it's so exciting. All right, opening a new school has always been a dream of mine, and I truly, truly am honored and grateful to be here. It's an exciting moment. The placement of the beam means we are one step closer to welcoming our future JAGs into our beautiful building. The beam is not a completion. I believe it signifies a beginning. The beginning of our community that will honor our incredible namesake, Mr. JWood Raw. Beyond the middle school principal, beyond the Navy veteran, beyond the ski instructor, Mr. Raw was a devoted family man. And I know Marty kind of stole my thunder, but I'd like to recognize his family. I believe his 3 sons are here. We have John, Tim, Tom, Raw, all here with their families. Let's give them a round of applause. All right, I will now have President Dr. Angie Taylor share her enthusiastic welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, Donna. Come on, let's give it up for our new principal. Very few principals get to open a brand new school, and then certainly to be involved at this level. Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Come on, we can do better than that. That's a new school. Good afternoon, everybody. I am excited to be here for the topping off. We call this the official topping off of the school, which I believe has the best school name in the United States of America, JWood Raw. Jonna and I are the only ones excited about that. Thank you, Jonna. It's an amazing name. It's a great name for a great school, and we are so excited about everybody that's here today, everyone that's been a part of this building. We're thankful for those of you. We're going to do some thanking today. That is my job. I have one job, and that is to thank you. But we are even more excited about the students that will come and have an amazing educational experience, and the staff, the teachers, the nutrition service workers, the teachers' aides, and everyone else, the consultant, everybody will be a part of making this an amazing school that can really live up to the JWood Raw name. We're very, very excited about them as well. So I do want to give some thank yous. I do want to give some thank yous, but before I do, I'd like to introduce some fellow trustees who are here. Every school in our district has 2 trustees as their representatives. One is specific for the area, and then one is at large, half of the county. You're going to hear from them later, but I do want to introduce those 2 first. Trustee Jeff Church. District A, that's the at-large representative, and then Trustee Adam Mayberry. District F, that's at large. District A, that's this area right here, and you'll hear from both of them. We also have a couple of other colleagues with us from District B. Trustee Minetto, she's also the board secretary, the clerk. And then the other at-large trustee, Dr. Diane Nicolette. District G. She's doing G for gigantic. G for gigantic. And then I also really would like to just say thank you again to everyone who took the time to come out on today. We know it's a busy time. We know life is busy, things are busy, and we know it's getting really close to a holiday weekend, but you took your time to come here and to be here, and so we want to welcome you as well. But the most important group of people that I want to thank today are the people who have worked on this building and will continue to do so. I'm going to start with the workers from Martin Harris. Raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand, Martin Harris. We already heard from Marty. All right, so keep clapping, keep clapping. Group West, keep clapping, Group West, Group West. Big part of this, could not make this thing happen without them. And then all the subcontractors who brought us to this moment today. Just look around, look at everybody, just turn around and thank somebody. If you see them in a green vest, just thank them. If you see them in a green vest, just thank them. Orange sweatshirt, green vest, hard hat, all. Just thank them, thank them, thank them, thank you. And we want to just give, again, a big round of applause and heartfelt thank you to all of the workers on this site, because without them, we would have nothing to celebrate. So everyone, just look over my shoulder, look over my head, and look at this amazing building. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The kids that come here, the staff that get a chance to work here, the principal who's going to lead our effort. She was right over there. Now I don't know where Principal Johnny, she's around here. So there she is. Okay. All right, all right. They're going to have an amazing opportunity because of you. So that's why we're here celebrating. So the progress that you've made in just a few short months. We were here, it seems like just a couple of months ago, on a very cold and windy day, by the way, doing the groundbreaking, and look at the progress that has been made. It is truly astounding. So to hear a little bit more, we got to turn it over to the trustees that represent this area, and I will start with Trustee Jeff Church. He is the representative for District A, and he has a few more people that he wants to thank. Come on, let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you, Angie. Hard act to follow. I'm excited to be here today to be part of this momentous occasion. The new JWood Raw Elementary School is going to be such an asset to the community and will help us relieve overcrowding in this community that we're currently facing, both South and North Valleys. This new two-story building, state-of-the-art learning space for our students. Did you know it has a capacity of 745 students, 28 classrooms, 3 student hubs, music room, and a STEAM lab, which is a science, technology, engineering, art, and math lab. Nothing to do with STEAM. It's science and technology. And a geothermal heat exchange system, so energy efficient, and built-in security measures, drought-tolerant landscaping, and so much more. This building is going to allow us to take the elementary school to the next level. I specifically want to thank all our WCSD staff that played a role in getting us to this moment, from our capital project staff overseeing the project to purchasing staff and every single member of the school district that has provided support for this district. Additionally, with the uncertainties of massive inflation, supply chain issues, the unstable economy, I found the bids by our local contractors to be so very, very reasonable. So let's give them all a round of applause. Thank you all so much. Now, finally, I want to point out that the funding for this school comes from what we call capital projects. That comes from your support as taxpayers via property tax and sales tax, such as the WC1 ballot measure. We are so blessed to have a wonderful democracy to celebrate. Many, and I might need a police escort to get to the car, many, including myself, originally opposed the never-ending sales tax for buildings but not teachers. But I, and every other one, so much support the democratic system. That's in the past, and this is the present, and I thank each and every voter that took the time to decide and to vote. Now I'm going to turn it over to our at-large trustee, Adam Avery. Thank you, Adam.
Good afternoon. Yes, happy Thursday, happy Nevada Day tomorrow. So glad to see so many of you out here. I want to say hello to my friends, the Raw family. Thanks for coming out. Great to see you. And again, thank you for all the men and women in the hard hats that have made this project become a reality. God bless you all. A couple folks, groups I want to thank. Trustee Church mentioned them, the voters This would not be possible without the 2016 ballot question WC1. So I want to give a shout out to all the voters that made that happen. Thank you. Also, I want to give a shout out to to Perry DiLoretto and the DiLoretto family. They have been steadfast partners and great supporters of the school district over the years. This would not have happened without their support as well. They're unable to be here today, but again, we salute Perry DiLoretto and his family. Thank you, DiLorettos. Thank you. And when we were here last spring, we were saying goodbye to our superintendent. And today, I'm really pleased to welcome our new superintendent. Dr. Enfield has been here since July and has made a mark on our organization, on our community. Great things are happening for our students, for our families. I'm so grateful she's here. So it's a pleasure for me to introduce Dr. Susan Enfield.
Thank you, Trustee Mayberry, and good afternoon, everybody. I will just echo the thanks that the trustees and Jonna have already given to everyone here in attendance. This took a serious team effort, and I think that's evident by all the people who are here today for this wonderful topping off ceremony. And again, I want to extend a particular welcome and gratitude to the Raw family for being here as we prepare to dedicate this building. I will just say that working in school districts, the two best days of the year are the first day of school and graduation. But the only other really, well, there's lots of exciting days in between. But the other real exciting day that we all look forward to is when we can open a brand new school. It's always a momentous occasion, and it always, I think, signals just a little bit extra dose of hope and excitement about what is possible and what we as a community can make possible for our children. So I want to thank everybody who was a part of making this beautiful school a reality. I cannot wait for the first day of school next fall to see it in action and filled with brilliant staff and brilliant and beautiful students. And so with that, I think that we have some other work to do. So thank you, everybody, for being here in attendance, and thank you for your commitment to the children of the Washoe County School District. Thank you.